Okay guys, what we have here is the Shaw Shock Volume 2 from the Shaw Brothers Horror Collection. Let's open it up. Okay guys, first we have the Enchanting Shadow. And this is, like I said, the Shaw Shock Volume 2. Shaw Shock Horror Collection Volume 2. A down-on-his-luck young man reluctantly stays at a haunted temple where he encounters a ghost who lures his victims to their death with her beauty. Special features include a 1080p high-definition presentation, audio commentary by author Stephen Hammond, and Asian film expert Arn Vernetta 2025. Film historian Paul Fonaroff on The Enchanting Shadow, also recorded in 2025. Boundless Life, a featurette on director Han Sang Lee, the original trailer and the DVD trailer. The most stunning phantom in film history. The Enchanting Shadow. Let's put that back in the box. Actually, let's check out the disc. Alright, the disc looks identical to the cover. We got some liner art there. Beautiful. Next up, we've got The Bride from Hell. Bride from Hell. Beautiful cover art there, almost like a painting. A young merchant marries a young woman who is thought to be possessed by the spirit of a girl murdered 20 years ago. Special features include 1080p high-definition presentation, audio commentary by Asian film expert Arn Vernetta, and filmmaker Tom Ting, 2025, and the DVD trailer. Never marry a possessed woman, especially one possessed by the spirit of a girl murdered by the uncle of the groom. identical. And this is imprint Asia 32. There's the art on the side. It's just a face in the corner. Put that back. So that's a possession one. Last but not least, we've got the Ghost Lovers. Got some vampiric teeth going on here. That's a little sexy. A woman reaches out from the beyond to marry the man she loves. It isn't until later that he begins to suspect that his new wife is actually dead. Special features include 1080p high-definition presentation, audio commentary by critic filmmaker Justin DeCloy, 2025, and film scholar Wayne Wong on Ghost Lovers, 2025. Love transcends death. The Ghost Lovers. Same as the cover, imprint Asia 33, and the art on the side is actually like a photo of the lead actress. Right. So that's all the films. Let's see if there's any information on the back of the hard box. Shock is back with Volume 2, a supernatural dive into 3 of the Shaw Brothers adaptations of traditional Chinese ghost stories, presented in high definition on Blu-ray, packed with ghouls, gore, and grim delights. And then it just gives a breakdown of all the special features of the movies, which I just explained for you. These films range from 1960 to 1974. And they were produced by Imprint Asia and Viavision. Here's a look at that. It's got the nice Shaw Brothers logo on there. Beautiful. And here's the top of the box. Beautiful. Nice and hard. Can't wait to watch this sucker. Let's pop one in. Pick one at random. The Bride from Hell. Let's see how it is. guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.